What up, peeps? Got the breakfast sandwich. Yeah, motherfuckers. I do this most mornings. Yeah, bacon, egg, and cheese on an English muffin or whatever you got. Bagel, toast, whatever. I've done it all, but this is what I got right now. Yeah, let's check this out. First mukbang I've done, but I think I need to do more, more mukbangs. So good, you guys. So easy. Unbelievable. Yeah. First mukbang, man. Seems like mukbangs get more traffic than my regular videos do. Going by other food YouTubers. So I thought I'd post a friggin' mukbang. You know what I mean? It's not in my car. It's in my home. Yeah. Yeah, you guys. This place, Bok Bok, I used to work there. Got fired for no reason other than the guy was overstaffed. But they have like five stores around here. It's Korean fried chicken. It's so fucking bomb. The sauces are amazing. Or two of them are, to me at least. They have four altogether. Alright. Let me finish this up close. Got that much left. Yeah. Yolk was still runny, which I'm not used to doing. I usually cook the shit out of the eggs all the time. For some reason, didn't get it. Yeah. Mukbanging, you guys. Mukbanging. Woo! Good start to the day. Eggs are awesome for you. Bacon, it's alright. It's meat. We all eat meat all day. Or a few times a day. Depending on what kind of day you're having. And if you're not a friggin' vegan, Alright. Just wanted to bring that to you. My first fucking mukbang. Woo! Alright. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please feel free to leave a comment. Tell me what kind of videos you would like to see from me in the future. And thanks for coming back. Everything like that. All that cringy YouTube crap. And check out one of these next videos on the screen. I got an awesome playlist. They're all categorized nicely between like chicken, beef, Mexican food, tacos, pizza. Just go check it out. You'll see. Alright, guys. I love you. Have a good day. Peace.